Hi Red Class, it's Miss Valenti. Now if you're watching this video, that means you are practicing finding one more to 20. Now that is something new that we're going to be doing today, and Teddy is here to do it with us. Now yesterday we had a look at finding a number that is bigger or smaller, and we compared two groups of objects. Now today we're going to be comparing numbers, and we are going to be focusing on finding one more than a number, and that just means a number that is one bigger than the number provided. So we can use the language of bigger, more, and we can also say greater than. So if we had number 10 and number 3, number 10 is bigger than number 3. Number 10 is more than number 3. And number 10 is greater than number 3. We can use all of that language. Now we're going to have a focus on looking at one more, finding one more than a number. So I'm going to turn you down to the table to do an activity with me. Now here we have got a number line that's all the way from 0 up to 20, and we've got our counting bears. Now, the first number we are going to have a look at is number 11. Here it is, number 11. Now we need to find one more than number 11. So we're going to do this with our objects first. So I need to get 11 objects. If you've got some objects with you, then please count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have got my 11 bears. Let's just check there are 11 by using our finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 11 bears. Now to find one more, how many do you think we might need to add to find one more? We need to add one more. So adding one more bear. Now, how many do we have now? Let's count them and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this tells us that one more than 11 is 12. Now to check that answer, we can use our number line. Now we've circled number 11. Now, if we are finding one more, we are not going to go backwards because that means our number is going to get smaller. But remember, more than means bigger than. So we need to count on. We need to go up our number line. But how many numbers do we need to jump, boys and girls, if it's one more? Just one. So we are going to jump one up from number 11. 1. So one more than 11 is number 12. Great job, everybody. We're going to do one more. Now, if you haven't got objects already, then go and grab some objects. Pause this video whilst you do it, and then you can count with me with your objects too. And you could also ask your grown-up to get you a number line or to quickly draw you one if they can, but don't worry if not. Now, the number we're going to look at now is the number 16. 16. So how many objects do I need? 16. Let's get 16. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We've got 16. Now, I think I've counted right, but what could I do just to quickly check? I can use my finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I've got 16 bears. Now, I want you to find out what one more than 16 is. So how many objects do we need to add to find one more? Just one more objects. So let's add one more. What can we do now to find our answer? We can count them again. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So our objects are telling us that one more than 16 is 17. Let's just check that on our number line. So here is number 16. Now, to find one more, are we going to count backwards and go down the number line? No, we're going to count on. We need to count up our number line because more means bigger. So we need a bigger number. So one more than 16, we're going to jump up one. One more than 16 is 17. Is that how many objects we had? It is. So one more than 16 is 17. Fantastic, boys and girls. I'm going to put our objects away. Now that is your job for today, and I want you to see if you can do that with lots more numbers. See if your grown-up can give you some numbers, and can you work out what one more than that number is? Now make sure you take lots of photos and lots of videos and send them to me because I might celebrate you in our celebration assembly doing your fantastic counting. Now I will see you next time, boys and girls. Bye everyone.